Instead of creating posts that simply sit on your feed, what if you had an AI agent that could take your topic or niche, research the most viral content in that space, and then create something similar for you? Not only does it find high-performing posts, but it also explains why those posts worked, how you can apply the same principles to your own content, and even generates ready-to-publish posts tailored to your brand. That's exactly what we've built. Let me show you how it works. We start by sending a simple message to the agent. Think of this as your initial instruction. For this demo, we used, "Hello, I'm John Doe from Divverse." The agent receives the message, analyzes it, and begins its research process. In this case, it responds with, "Now let me research viral LinkedIn content in Divverse's niche to ground the demo." From there, the agent researches your business and positioning. It identified Divverse as Africa's leading offshore technology outsourcing and staff augmentation company, and used that information to build relevant content. Every recommendation is grounded in real data and market insights. Once the research is complete, the agent generates multiple platform-native LinkedIn posts. For example, Post 1 is practical and data-driven. Post 2 uses a storytelling approach. Post 3 takes a contrarian angle. Each post is designed using proven content frameworks and viral writing patterns. Everything is stored in the database, so you can return to previous conversations and continue where you left off. You can send new prompts, ask follow-up questions, and generate additional content whenever you need it. Looking at the generated posts, you'll notice each one follows a different strategy. One opens with a compelling data point such as a 75% reduction in recruitment costs. Another uses storytelling to create an emotional connection. Together, they give you multiple content options, all backed by research and optimized for engagement on LinkedIn. One of the most powerful features is the ability to write in the style of specific creators or thought leaders. For example, you can ask the agent to analyze someone like Nick Huber and recreate content using his writing style. The agent will break down the creator's content formula, including how they structure hooks, their average post length, their sentence patterns, their storytelling techniques, their preferred calls to action. It then applies those insights to your own content. In this example, the agent generated 3 Divverse posts rewritten in Nick Huber's style. It doesn't copy the creator's content. It simply adapts the proven structure and communication style to your brand and message. From there, you can review the drafts, make any refinements you want, and publish content that has a significantly higher chance of performing well on LinkedIn.